What is up, you guys? It's Brandon, also known as Blazetech. Halfway around, but oh well, what's done is done. Anyway, in today's video, we're going to be going over how you can install the brand new iOS 14 beta version on your phone, because it's not so simple. It's not like click, bang, boom, done. You have to go through a bit of a process. So pretty much I'm here to show you how to do it. So what you're going to want to need is a MacBook and a iPhone, obviously, because you're doing iOS. So here we go, this is how you get started. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to your MacBook first and go to the Apple website. I will show you, and bada bing bada boom. Remember, if you guys like this video, remember to subscribe, like the YouTube video, as well as check out my social sites, Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. Anyway, so you're going to want to come to... Okay, so instead of actually doing it through the actual laptop, we're going to do it through the phone because it's much easier. So what we're going to do is this, pretty much. So what I did is I just came to Google Chrome, I went to the Apple beta. So what you're going to want to do is click on the first one. After you have done that, you want to scroll down, you want to click on sign up. If I can click correctly, that'd be nice. There you go. So let that do its thing, continue. Just had to sign in with my face, pretty simple. So let that load. So we are going to be doing this for iOS, and scroll down, enroll your iOS device. I was about to say beta, but I can't read. So what you're going to do is archive a backup. So the way you do this on your phone is you want to go to the home page, and you want to click on settings. After you have clicked on settings, you'll come to here. So what you're going to want to do is click on your ID, and you want to scroll down, you want to go to iCloud. After you've done that, scroll down all the way to iCloud backup, and say, make sure this is checked, make sure iCloud backup is checked. Yep. And make sure you have a pretty recent update. So my recent update was yesterday at 11:13, but I'm gonna back up now just in case. So let that do its backup, and then after that is done, we'll then install the beta, and I'll show you how to do that. So remember to always back up, otherwise stuff might go wrong. And remember that you are running a beta program, so apples might not work, some other things might not work, keyboard might not work. There could be minor problems in the most simple things, and like messages and all that stuff. For me personally, like messages, pictures, recent calls and all that, for me that's super important. So I want to have all of that because it's with my friends and family, etc. So I want to make sure I do a backup, and I highly recommend that you do the same. So just back up your device, then let's start installing the beta program. So once this is done, I will come back. So I'm going to come back in 2 minutes, but for you it's going to seem like 2 seconds. Alright you guys, so as you can see, the time is 2:11, and I just backed up my device, and well, it's 2:11 now. So what you're going to want to do is you want to come back to the page on Chrome. So this is all done, and you want to click on download profile. That will say, and to say download, open. I'm going to click on save to files, and you can just save to the cloud. Tap on save. So that is done. Now you're going to want to go to your files and go to iCloud storage. I'm going to click on iOS, profile downloaded, review, and settings. So that's all confirmed there. So what you're going to want to go do now is go to settings and go to the main page, profile downloaded, and you want to say install. So this is the iOS 14 beta, and enter in your password, that's all done. If you want to, you can read this. I do recommend it, but I'm not going to, because I'm a hypocrite. And just going to say install, and then after you have clicked install, you just want to say done. So now you want to click on this, say more details. Okay, my bad you guys, my camera died. So anyway, you're gonna want to go into settings. After you've gone into settings, you want to scroll down. And you want to come to general. After you come to general, go to software update. Ignore my notification. And as you can see, iOS 14 public beta version 2. So you want to say download and install. Enter in the passcode. And just let it pretty much do its thing. So for the lighting right now, the lighting is like shocking, but yeah, no. So update is requested, it will do its thing, and I will come back after it's done doing its thing. So as you can see guys, my request has been all done. This may take you a long time, as it's going to take me about 1 hour, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to let that do its thing. After that's all done, I'm going to come back with more details. Okay, so just now, my phone popped up with a verifying update, and now it's doing the update. This is automatic, and so I had to run and get my camera. So now it's doing this, and it's doing the whole like update process and all of that. I was eating my dinner, and now I had to run here because it was like, oh, verifying update, and it was automatic. So don't freak out if your phone just starts like shutting down and updating. It's totally fine. So I'll let us do the update, and I'll come back. So after that's installed, you're going to come up with the good old hello screen. So just simply swipe up, enter in your code, and it will say software update is complete. If our focus, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14.0. Just say continue, read through this, and agree. You can set up Siri if you want to. I don't like Siri personally, so I'm just gonna skip. Don't share. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up, and here are all your apps and everything. And if we just go through it quick, and if we just quickly have a look, Spotify would like to connect to your local devices. That's totally fine. Now I got, whoa, there's a new application, I think. Translate looks different. What else is different? There's a feedback section. So this is where you can do feedback about the iOS device. But they're relatively the same. If we go under here, okay. I need to play around with this, find out what's new. This is cool. I just tapped on something. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna play around with this for the next several days, probably until Friday. And yeah, no, that's pretty much how you install iOS 14. And yeah, no, bada bing, bada boom. Alright, so this is Brandon from Blazetech. I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna play around with iOS 14 for about 3-4 days from now, and on Friday I'll come up with a video. This is just a bonus video just showing you how to get iOS 14. And yeah, no, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to smash like, also subscribe, tap the notification bell next when my video is live. Other than that, I have socials. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. And on Twitch, I stream every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday at 9:30 a.m. Australian Central Standard Time. It'd be really cool if I can see you there, because my chat is dead. There's no one on my streams. But now, I'm back. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Brandon from Blazetech. Bye.